Welcome back again. In the previous video, we have explained how to create a list. Same thing now, I will create something like that, grade view. So it's like a list, but like a grade here. So how we can do that? So simply, we have just a scaffold, up bar, center. Inside it, we have to write grade view. Like a list view, but a grade view here. So I can use just count here. Inside count, we have if we just press on control and then click on count, you can see here we have required, which means we should add this, which is cross axis count. What I mean by that, for example, here in each row we have 2, right? So this which what the mean of the cross axis count. So here I can add 2 in each line here, like this will be 2 items or 2 widgets. Now under that, what I have, I can just say comma here, and also I have children, so I can add the children, and inside the children I can just paste this container. We have explained that. I just add the container inside children here, and I can copy and paste how many, because here with count, which means that I know how many containers we have, so I can just paste this one and paste and paste and paste, just like 1 2 3 4 5, something like that. Now if I try to run this application, you can see it becomes like this here. So I added in this way. I say 2. If I say, for example, here 3 and just run again, you will see here that we have 3. As you can see here, we have 3 in a cross axis count. Also we can change here like a space between them. So we have here main axis spacing, and we have cross axis spacing. So here, for example, I can say 5, and here I can say like 10, and now if I run, you can see it will be a little bit different. So cross axis and main axis. So here the space in this way and in this way, horizontally and vertically between the items here. So it's something perfect in this way. Now if I don't know how many containers I have inside it, so there is no children, I will delete that. Now I have deleted everything here. I will delete that as well. And now not count but builder, like in the list. So now if we click on the builder here, press control and click on the builder, you can see, for example, scroll direction, we have controller, we have like many things, but the required here is grade delegation. So by grade delegation we will add the items. So here grade delegation, click on the grade delegation with the control, you can see it's accepted what? Accept what? Sliver grade delegation or delegator. So here we have more than one thing, but I will use this one here, sliver delegation with fixed gross axis count. Here with fixed gross axis count, so we can add how many items here, like 2 3 as you like. So now here in this way, so I can add a cross axis count, for example 2. So in each one we have 2, not a 3, like this here. What else? What we have? We click here, you can see the net parameter item builder. Also we need item builder, so I can say here, after that we have item builder. In the item builder, so now in the builder we have first thing create delegate, we add this here, and we have item builder. In the item builder, if we press control and click here, you see in the item we have builder, build context, and we have integer, which is the index, exactly like what in the list. So here I can say just context, and here I can say just end. Now it will return a widget, so I can say return what? For example, I can just copy the container here, and I can just add a semicolon. So what I have did here, actually here we need to add constant. If we just control and click here, you can see it is constructor, so I need to add constant here. That's it. So I think it's very simple. We have a GrideView builder. The first thing we have, first parameter, we have a grade delegate and accept sliver grade with fixed axis account. So here we say 2, which means 2 in each one. And then we have item builder, and the item builder I add the container. Also we have another thing here with item builder, we need to count so how many containers we have. So I can say here item count, so I can add like a 20 for example, so 20 containers. Of course if you have, as I told you, like in the list, if I have like the data came from list or from array for example, I can say just dot length. So I will see, I will get all the items inside the array or inside the list. But here for example I can say 20. Now I can just run. As you can see here we have 20 in this way of the items here. Here I said 2, so you can see 2. If I say for example 3, 4, as you like, so for example I say 4, so in each one will be a 4 like this. So you can make it as you want. So also it's a great way to add a layout or design your application using list view or grid view, and we have two ways as I have explained. Hope you understand that, and thank you very much.